Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to be doing a small September Lego haul video. And these are the new Lego sets that came out yesterday on September 1st. I'm going from small to big. And we'll start with the smallest as ones I got. Like that. The new Lego Mayfeeder Series 23. And Mayfeeder is here on space. I got all 5 from Toys R Us. How's it? It comes with new characters here. We got a Lego Christmas elf right there. We got a sailor too. Person in a robot suit and a robot suit. And we got a person in here in a knight with a horse. And we got some kind of knockout or something. And we got a person in the parrot suit and a little fairy princess. Expect these videos, also one big video, will come out soon. Next, we got this Lego Spider-Man set, which is a Build-A-Bear Lego Spider-Man, and which also got from Toys R Us, along with the next two I got. This is kind of like the Lego Build-A-Bear Iron Man set that I got a while back. I think it's got 258 pieces, which I'll get into once I do the building review of the video. Next, I got other Build-A-Bear Lego characters from Spider-Man, and this one is called Venom, and with 297 pieces. It's in from the Spider-Man Lego Marvel Wave. Even, like I said, with the Spider-Man, go get more into depth with recycling once I do the building review video. And finally, the new Lego Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Special Advent Calendar. And with a piece count in 268 pieces. And I'm going to be doing every single video of each calendar number throughout the December month of Christmas. And just like I did with the Lego Avengers one. And here's the back. And it's got each date of December month. With Groot, Rocket, Mantis, and also Peter Quill in here. And these are just characters that is on the box. And there must be more Guardians of the Galaxy characters in here. And expect this in each video of the Advent calendar throughout December, which is about 3 months from now. Alright, that's about it for today's Lego haul video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you're new. And let's get this channel up to 200 subscribers. And on Monday, I'm going to be doing my Lego Jurassic Park T-Rex Breakout building review video. And on Wednesday, I'm going to be reviewing Jurassic World Count Cretaceous Season 5, Episode 4 video. And next Friday, I'm going to be reviewing She-Hulk Attorney at Law episode 4. So stay tuned for those videos. And I will see you guys on Monday for my Jurassic Park and Lego building review video. And peace.